lean manufacturing, and the environment. Lean manufacturing is a business model and collection of tactical methods that emphasize eliminating non value added activities, waste, while delivering quality products on time at least cost with greater efficiency. In the US, lean implementation is rapidly expanding throughout diverse manufacturing and service sectors such as aerospace, automotive, electronics, furniture production, and healthcare as a core business strategy to create a competitive advantage. While the focus of lean manufacturing is on driving rapid, continual improvement in cost, quality, service, and delivery, significant environmental benefits typically ride the coattails or occur incidentally as a result of these production focused efforts. Lean production techniques often create a culture of continuous improvement, employee empowerment, and waste minimization.